Good day, Manchester United fans. Here are your latest Manchester United updates you've missed in the last 24 hours. Kobbie Mainoo is ready to seek a loan move away from Manchester United in January after becoming deeply frustrated about his lack of minutes. Manchester United are expected to wait until AFCON finishes in the middle of the winter window to make a decision on Kobbie Mainoo. Here is Ruben Amorim's stats in the Premier League with Manchester United. 41 games played, 13 wins, 10 draws, 18 losses, 54 goals scored, 63 goals conceded, with a total 31.7% win rate. Last night's draw means Manchester United sit 8th in the Premier League table after 14 games of the 2025-2026 season.